are going to love the 2018 Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: XM satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, cruise control, FWD, premium sound system, rear window defroster, power windows, power door locks, compass. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.